Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at the usage limitations we have on YouTube Data API. In order to ensure the API is used in a fair way and to maintain the quality of the service, Google has imposed some limitations on its usage. By default, the usage quota allocated for each project on Google Developer Console or Google Cloud is 10,000 units per day, where each project is considered as a separate application. We need to understand one important thing. One unit is not equivalent to one request, and the number of units varies with the type of request. Though we have a limit on its usage in the form of usage quota, we have an option to increase the quota through a request once the default quota is utilized. So, no worries. Now, let's open the Google Quota Cost details and check different requests and their units per request. This is the YouTube Data API documentation, and within this guides section, we have a couple of URLs related to usage quota. The first one has details about what the default quota is all about for each application per day. So if you look at these details, it clearly says that the default quota allocation is like 10,000 units per day for each application, and it also included a URL to audit and quota extension form in case, if our application is consuming all these 10,000 units per day, then we can submit a request to YouTube so that they can review our request and extend the quota for our specific application. And coming to the quota cost for each API request, as we already mentioned in our earlier videos, there are different resource types. So here is the list of resources, and here we have all the operations that each resource supports, and on the last column we have the cost, meaning the number of units each request will consume. So if we scroll down, so we have a search option, search URI, so which will perform the list operation, and it will almost consume 100 units per each request. In the similar fashion, for videos, list will consume 1 unit, and insert will almost consume 1600 units, and so on. So in the similar fashion, we have playlist items, where we have the number of units for each request of this kind of operation. So the list operation will take 1 unit, insert will consume 50, and so on. So this is the kind of documentation that we already have on YouTube Data API, which usually help us in determining the better resource types in order to pull the kind of data that we want on our application. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.